In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Shopify coupon codes in Klaviyo. This is a simple process, and once it is set up, you can quickly generate a coupon that is ready to share in your marketing messages. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and looking at the left sidebar navigation. From there, go to Content and then select Coupons. This Coupons area is where Klaviyo manages the coupon codes you can use in campaigns and flows, so it is a good place to come back to anytime you need to create or review an offer. Once you are on the Coupons page, move to the top right and click Create Uploaded Coupon. This option is used when you want to set up a coupon inside Klaviyo that you can then distribute to your audience. After you click it, you will be prompted to fill in a few key settings. First, enter a coupon name. Use a name that clearly describes the offer and will be easy to recognize later when you are selecting it for an email or other message. Many brands use short, readable names that match the promotion, like a welcome discount or seasonal sale name. Keep it consistent with how you label your promotions so your team can find it quickly. Next, set the minimum coupon count. This is important because it helps ensure you have enough codes available for the number of people who might receive the offer. Plan for your expected send volume and give yourself a buffer in case the promotion performs better than expected. Running out of codes mid-send can create a poor customer experience, so it is worth being generous here. After that, set the expiration. You can choose an expiration that is based on time, like after 1 year, or you can choose a specific date. Use an expiration that matches the purpose of the coupon. Longer expirations work well for evergreen offers, while a specific date is better for limited-time promotions that need a clear endpoint. When everything looks correct, click Create Coupon. Klaviyo will generate the coupon based on the settings you provided, and it will now appear in your coupons list. At this point, your coupon is ready, and you can now share it in your messaging. That covers everything you need to know.